Hey everyone, welcome to this video on Leonardo AI. We're going to show you everything you need to know to start generating stunning photos using this online platform. Leonardo AI comes with a wide range of tools for AI-powered image modification and enhancement. And it is a free, valid alternative to other image editing platforms on payment. First of all, sign in with any account and enter into the home page. Here, you get featured guides and the latest images generated by the community. On the left, you get the complete list of tools. In this video, we may not cover the universal upscaler, used to increase the image resolution of your generations. To generate images from text-based prompts, click on Image Creation. Its interface has been updated, but you can come back to the older one with Legacy Mode in the top right corner. This is more complex to use, but allows more control on the AI models and options. Check out our dedicated video to learn how to use the Legacy interface. To generate an image, enter your text prompt at the top and hit Generate, checking the result at the bottom. Each generation consumes tokens that you can check on the top. Free plans have 150 tokens per day with limited functions, but you can upgrade to a subscription plan for more tokens and features. All generated images are royalty-free and can be used commercially by everyone. If you want to keep your images private, enable private mode on paid plans. Leonardo AI has loads of options for your generation on the left. Select the main AI preset to fix the general appearance for your image, between anime, cinematic, animation, graphics, or real-like images. You can also adjust the preset style as you want, and the contrast level for the image. On generation mode, select between fast results or higher quality images with enriched details. On image dimensions, set the aspect ratio and size with templates ready for social media platforms. You can also choose how many images to generate per prompt. Select 1 or 2 images to save tokens if you own a paid plan. Open Advanced Settings to select the basic AI model to use. Enable the Photo Real option to get real-like images on paid plans, or turn on Negative Prompt to specify what you do not want in your image generation. You can also enable Transparency to generate images with a transparent background, or tiling to generate patterns. Now, let's understand how to write a correct prompt. First of all, define the main subject, describe it properly, and select the style and vibe you want. Specify also the kind of background, environment, camera view, and other details if you need. If you are stuck, you can click the right button to get inspired, such as generating a random prompt. Improve yours with AI. Or even edit it with AI to apply specific changes. Switch to Describe with AI to upload an image and extract a prompt based on it. In order to generate another image with similar content and style. For more advanced options, click the left button. Go to Elements to fine-tune the AI model and apply some filters by adding 1 or more elements with proper weight on each. With image guidance, you can upload an image to use as reference for your generation, provided that it matches your prompt content. Choose image to match the reference image in general, or select another option to match its style, content, subject, and much more. You can also adjust the strength level to set how much the generation must adhere to the reference image. All your generated images are listed at the bottom. Click on any image to preview it, download it in JPG format, or perform actions, such as removing its background, or upscaling the image if you own a paid plan. You can also get inspired by the generations made from the community on the main page, checking the prompts and AI models used, or taking these as reference to generate other media. Leonardo AI also offers generations tools completely interactive. With real-time generation, you can create instant images while you type your prompt. Adjusting your elements on the right and style at the bottom. This tool is simple and efficient, especially when you need images on the go. Switch to real-time canvas to generate and edit images from sketches with the creativity of AI. In draw mode, you can draw sketches on the left canvas that become images on the right, according to the sketch's color, shape, and prompt guidance at the bottom. You can also regulate strength level and preset to use. On the extreme left, import and place any image to use as reference. Or switch to generate an image and start from there. Switch to Paint mode to modify the image uploaded on the left through sketches. And prompt at the bottom, as seen for the draw mode, with the difference that here, the original content, subject, style, and background of the image are preserved. Enable the Select tool to click and select any image or sketch and move, resize, or rotate these as you like. And use the backspace key to delete. If the output is good, you can click on Output to Input to save the result as input and continue working from there. For more precise and manual modifications with the help of the AI, open the Canvas editor from the left menu. The canvas is empty at first, so click on Upload Image on the left to browse for any image from either your computer or your generation list. You can also drop multiple images on the canvas at the same time. Hold Ctrl or Command and use your mouse wheel to zoom in or out. And hold down the spacebar key to pan around the canvas, making it easier to focus on different areas of the image. To interact with your images, enable the Select tool to select, move, scale, and rotate any image. And use the backspace key to remove it. If you make a mistake, you can undo with Ctrl or Command and Z. On the left, you can also enable the Sketch tool to brush on the canvas, or the Text tool to drop pieces of text. On the canvas, you have a colored box called Generation Frame, delimiting the region where the AI can analyze content and work. Move and place this frame with the Select tool, and then enable the Draw Mask tool to specify where the AI must apply edits, leaving the rest intact. Once done, define your prompt at the bottom and hit Generate, selecting between the different variations. If the Mask tool does not work well, switch to the Erase tool to remove unwanted regions and generate the modification again. The Draw Mask is very useful to preserve any specific subject while editing the background or changing any details such as hairstyle and color. The Canvas editor is also useful to extend the image, generating what you like by placing the frame outside the image. It can be also used to merge two images by extracting the subject with the Erase tool and moving it into a second image within the generation frame. Then, just drop the mask where the two images shall merge and describe the result with the prompt guidance at the bottom. Every generation results in a new independent image with the same size of the generation frame. These can be freely moved, edited, or deleted, as well as the masks dropped on the canvas. On the right side of the canvas, you can set the AI model to use, the number of image variations, and the size and aspect ratio for your generations. You can also change the canvas modes. Here we have seen the in-paint out-paint mode, but you can change the way to apply corrections by selecting other modes. Once you're satisfied with the result, save the image by going to Download Artwork on the left, obtaining a PNG format with the entire content of the canvas and any transparent area if present. If you own a paid plan, you can also open Motion to generate a 4-second video from a static image. Browse for an image, set the amount of motion you want, and hit Generate. The result will appear in your personal feed and can be downloaded in MP4 format. The motion effect is usually a pan and zoom effect since, at the moment, there isn't any option to control the result with the prompt.